Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible. Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for west central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, north central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until midnight tonight. At 7:07 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing. Flash flood emergency for Oakdale and Coraopolis. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement reported significant flooding in Oakdale. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Robinson Township, Cecil Bishop, Kennedy Township, Coraopolis, Imperial, McDonald, Sturgeon Noblesstown, Oakdale, Glen Osborne, Glenfield, Hayesville, North Fayette Township, Inlow, South Fayette Township, Collier Township and Midway. This includes the parkway between mile markers 57 and 60. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning. At 6:44 p.m., the public reported